Today we'll look at screen printing. This is where we shuttle a board through. It'll go into the machine. It will raise up to mate with the stencil. Then the squeegee will roll the paste through the apertures to the board. The board will break away and exit out of the machine. As you can see here, we have our parameters preset with squeegee pressures, print speed, snap off, and so forth. What we'll do here now is load a board manually. Okay, it goes into the machine. It will register itself to the stencil. And as you can see, the paste is rolling across the apertures, going through the openings onto the board. It came down and exits out into the SPI machine. Thank you.